I find out one day that you've been sleeping with me.
Your mother. How will she know? Who is going to tell her? Sweetheart, you or myself? My darling, I love you so much. Abby, my daughter.
Yes, darling.
I want to take you along with me on a safari holiday in Kenya.
Are you sure?
Yes. We have been doing this for the past 2 years. I don't have anyone but you. You're my precious. Kiss me. Hurry up.
I'll continue my makeup in my car.
That's it. I'll follow up with, okay?
Alright.
That's great. Life would have been so meaningless without my precious daughter, Abigail. I love her. I really do.
Oh my God. It's already 4 and I need to attend this meeting. God, where is this girl? I need to go out. Oh, Abigail. Hey, Abigail. Where are you coming from? Am I not talking to you? Abigail. I say, where are you coming from?
Oh, mommy. Mommy.
Abigail, did you push me?
No,
you pushed me? Did you push me? What has become of you?
Mommy, do I need your permission before I go out? I'm tired. I'm not ready for any interrogation. I'm tired.
Is that what you're telling me? Abigail, what has come over you? Hey!
What is happening here?
Nana, I'm happy that you're here. Would you please ask your daughter where she's coming from? Ask her where she's coming from. Nana, I say ask your daughter where she's coming from. Nana, please ask her.
Abby, your mother is asking you a very simple question. Huh? She's asking you where you are coming from. That's all.
No, Daddy, tell me. Do I need my mother's consent before I can go out? Besides, I'm a big girl. I don't need anybody's permission before I can go out.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Abigail, what has come over you? What has come over you? Why are you behaving this way, Abigail? Hey!
How dare you talk to us like that?
Hey!
How dare you talk to us like that? Huh? You are only 21 years.
Just 21.
You are still a baby.
Yes.
You are not old enough. Look, listen to me. From today onwards, you can't go anywhere without asking me for my permission.
Exactly.
You need to seek my permission before you go out. Is that clear? Is that clear?
No, Daddy, you're not being fair to me. You're not being fair to me. I should ask you permission.
What is this? You are pushing me. Abigail, did you push me? Nana, did you see that? She pushed me. She pushed me, Nana. Nana, won't you say anything to her, Nana?
Sweetheart, I won't blame her. I don't blame her at all.
Who do you blame?
I'll blame you.
Me?
Yes.
What have I done?
Because you have pampered her far too much.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
Is that what you are telling me?
Yes.
You have not pampered her. I am the one who has pampered her.
Sweetheart, I am so tired. I need a rest.
Is that what you're telling me?
Allow me.
Nana. So, thank you very much for telling me this. I have pampered this girl. Okay. Anyway, I was going for the meeting.
Celebrate this in a very big way. And we need time to plan a befitting celebration. Sure. But in the meantime, being one of the oldest parties in this country, we need to be proud of ourselves. That is why we have gathered here this evening. But we cannot be absolutely proud when the vision, the aims and aspirations we hold for the people have not been accomplished.
That's very true.
Are you with me?
Yes.
So, comrades, we actually have to get together because we are destined to win this election.
For sure.
No two ways about it.
We have a responsibility to liberate the good people of this nation from bad policies, economic policies, and oppression, the intimidation, all the shit. Lucky for us, this year's election coincides with our year of birth. So as you can see, this party has won the election. Oppressed people's party. What do we stand for? Hope for the hopeless and job for the jobless. Congress, enjoy yourself.
To them is just a game. Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it bad. It's about money. Ooh, lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game.
I've been trying to get in touch with you ever since, but your wife told me you had traveled to Abuja. What took you to Abuja?
I hope Nana has not forgotten that the party sent a delegation to the Inter-Party Congress.
Oh, I see. I almost forgot. We discussed this at our last meeting.
Oh, yes, and I led the delegation.
Beautiful. And how did it go?
It was so perfectly organized. Everybody was enthusiastic.
Oh, lovely. Willie, how do you find our prospects at winning these elections?
Oh, take it easy, Nana. Everything is going fine. We have the support of the masses. You know, the people are fed up with the way the country is being run. And they are waiting to vote us into power. And if we can offer credible alternative, why not?
I like what you just said. And that's a brilliant idea, very good. But I think we'll have to be very, very vigilant.
Sure, Nana.
Yes, very, very vigilant. Because I know there is a deliberate attempt to rig this election. They are all aware, they themselves know, that they've already lost this election. So they will try as much as possible to do things to rig the elections. So we must be very vigilant.
God forbid, Nana. God forbid. Nominations have already been opened for interested, credible, and qualified candidates.
Of course.
For the flag bearership.
Of course.
Yes.
That's good. We shall wait and see. But I've always said that I am going to support you with all my might. I will support you financially and I will fix it for you to become the flag bearer of this great party of ours.
Thank you very much, Nana. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I can assure you, if I get this nod, if I get this opportunity, you are going to reign forever. I will make sure.
Oh, Doc. Well, let's toast to that. Thank you. Let's get in.
It's just a game. Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it back. It's about money, ooh, lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power.
I'm sure you enjoy yourself. Oh, P.P. Anna. Hey, you can't beat us. No, no way. Daddy, come on. Oh, are you still struggling there? Take time. Don't take time and don't spoil the car for me.
Spoil the car.
Take time and get out. Come and let us.
They play all kinds of dirty tricks. Mr. Politician, do you really want to serve?
Good. At long last, I have your back. Come and tell me, how do you find the OPP? Philly, how do you find it? Oh, woman, you don't look happy.
Why will I be happy? Oh, you took me there just to embarrass me.
I don't understand.
Did you see the way they've dressed? Did you see? Oh, and look at me. A blue dress, a brown shoe, and a black bag.
I didn't take
and a mauve headgear.
Go there
I'm
to
just
show
like a
dresses.
caricature among the whole lot.
Look,
please.
we represent the oppressed in the society.
Don't tell me
And
that.
you know what? Look, I didn't take
Please.
you to a fashion parade.
Don't take
I
me there.
took you to the party headquarters to hear people talk how we are going to solve the economic problems of this country.
Asamoah, leave this party and find a job. Eh?
Be patient. By the time we are through with these elections,
Which election?
you will be smiling on your face.
Asamoah, please find a job and leave this politics. Leave this party. Because it's not getting us anywhere. We are still marking time. Eh? Please, my dear husband. You are wasting your time and energy.
Sweetheart.
A party that can never help you nor your children in times of difficulties. Why? Leave me alone.
Sweetheart.
You took me there to embarrass me.
No, sweetheart. You know
How
what?
can I hold black bag and a brown shoe
Don't
and
worry.
a blue dress
Don't
and
worry.
a mauve
Look.
How?
This is my year. And I tell you, success is waiting for us at the corner.
This is all that you've been saying. Success. And the success never reaches this house.
It will reach.
Don't deceive. Please,
this is my year.
Don't deceive yourself. Please, don't deceive yourself. Please, my dear husband. Don't take me to their party.
way you suffered. Fred, we are doomed. My daddy is here.
What do you mean by your daddy is here?
Fred, you don't understand.
At times, my father can be very unfriendly to my friends.
In my case, I don't think you'll be that hostile. I remember you told me that your daddy has nothing against our relationship.
That's it, but...
What's happening? Who is this man?
Daddy, he's my... No. He's... what I mean is that he's called Fred. Yeah. Yes.
Who are you and what is she to you?
Sir, I'm Fred Dixon, and your daughter happens to be my fiancée.
Your what?
My fiancée, sir.
Fiancé? The impudence of a dead rat. Do you know the meaning of the word fiancé? Do you? Who betrothed this girl to you for you to call her your fiancé? Or perhaps you are the son of Honorable Dixon, the High Court Judge.
I'm sorry, I'm not, sir. My father died 7 years ago and I live with my mother.
Your mother? Who is your mother and what does she do?
She's into business, sir. She sells tomatoes and
My goodness Christ me! Hey! The son of a tomato seller! Abigail! Why are you doing this to me? And you had the confidence to walk into my mansion, walk through my lounge, and come and sit here with my daughter, and you had the guts to call her your fiancé. Oh, so you have decided not to cut your coat according to your own size? Well, shut up! Abigail, shut up! Huh? I have told you several times not to associate yourself with such ordinary tweets. Huh? Can't you find someone of your own class, Abigail? Huh? Don't you realize that by associating yourself with such things, will bring my reputation down, will even affect my political career? Abigail! Young man, I don't want to see you in my house again. This should be your very last time. The very, very last time you come into this house. The next time I see you here again, you will be a dead meat. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now get out from this. Get out. Out. Hey, don't step into it. Don't step there. Outside this way. Get out. Why are you doing this to me?
Daddy, you are becoming too much. You are becoming too jealous.
Abby. You know I love you so much. You know I love you so much. My love for you is beyond father and daughter love. You know that? You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. Hey, Abigail, come. Don't do that.
Daddy, you're becoming too jealous. Daddy, you're becoming too jealous.
come and push me. Do I have to remind you people all the time when I'm going out? And where's your mother? Why is she doing inside there? Nessie! Nessie! Come and open the gate.
I want you wait for mommy to come.
Nessie! Yes! Come and open the gate. Go and open the gate. I don't know that I have a meeting at the party headquarters. We are receiving some visitors today. And I'm getting late.
In this time and age, who is using such a car?
Look,
which politician is using such a car?
Go and open the gate.
Oh.
I'm getting late. Yes. Take the push. Can you take the push in the thing?
Then we are pushing.
Push her.
Dad, is your legs on the bridge? I see no body.
Are you pushing her?
Dad.
Taking the stone there. But see, do I have to remind you every day?
Now you better pack this car and walk home. I'm tired.
Don't tell me what to do. Go and push the car. Mercy, open the gate.
Just talk to Daddy to find a new car. I'm tired of pushing. It's funny.
Mama, I don't think you and Daddy have my interest at heart. How could Daddy be so insensitive? Every day you've been talking about my happiness. Mommy, you've been telling me you want me to be happy. Daddy has no right to refer to Fred as a common person.
Sweetheart. Calm down.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Just imagine my precious daughter in the hands of an ordinary man whose mother is a tomato seller. How is he going to take care of you? How would society think of us? That is why your daddy calls him a common man. You see, your father just wants to secure your future.
Yes. Yes, Mom. Yes. Fred is common. He's common. Because his father is not a politician. His father is not a high court judge nor a minister. Mama, the fact that Fred is from a poor family does not mean he's not a human being like us. Tell me, how does Daddy expect his party to win this election if he's not demonstrating what he says his party stands for, huh? Why are you two so selfish?
Enough! Enough of that! How dare you refer to us as such? Are you insane? Are you getting mad? Listen to me, my daughter. Look here, my daughter.
You leave me alone.
Your Daddy and I want that's the best for you.
How could you know what is best for me? What, most of you don't appreciate my feelings, huh? Oh.
Hey, Abigail, come back, Abigail, come back! Nonsense. What do you know about love? What do you know what is good for you? What do you know? The child... Abigail,
Look, I'm starving. Get me something to eat there. I'm starving. Am I not talking to you?
there's no food in this house for you.
What did you say?
You heard me right. I said there's no food in this house today.
How about the money I left with you this morning?
The money you left with me this morning?
Yes.
I've used that money to settle an old debt. So, go to those people who have turned you to a dog to give you food to eat. Or go to the grave, dig your mother to come and cook for you in this house.
You can't talk to me like that. Nonsense.
You got me.
But get away. Nonsense. How dare you talk to me like that?
You. Instead of you finding a job to do, you are following a party that can never win. You will never win. Your party can never. Come back and slap me again. Come back and slap me again. Outside gentility home crying. Look at me. Look at me at this stage. When will I enjoy? When will I enjoy? Am I not equal to those ladies over there? Am I not equal to Mrs. Ajiman and the rest? If I have a good husband to take care of me. Foolish man. Akasanuma. Come and slap me again. Come back and slap me again and you will see. Foolish man. Akwasabasa. Jumping from house to house. You are digging your own grave, let me tell you. You see where politics will land you. You will never win. Politics. Politics, always politics. You are eating politics. Drinking politics. Come and slap me again. Foolish man.
To them it's just a game. Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it bad. It's about money. Ooh, lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game.
Agufia. Oh, sorry. Good evening, Mrs. Asama.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Bibi Hamin, Pacho, me who come, Mr. Sama.
And then, for what? You went in for what?
I'm Pacho, me party now joining. Valanda boy, I'm organizing shoemaker for any one more ton and smart in the Karaman chins. Now I'm saying, was Simbia, a person and Susu, and Tina by.
Wada, he's not a donkey, he's tired. Wada.
What's mine?
You see, Wada? Donkey,
oh, Mr. Pacho. Bomodinia and Mammy say, a shoemaker, Nino.
Missy Wada. Mean to me, Yan, see Wada.
If I turn up no way, Menanka, I mean, Queen.
Me say wada.
Oh. Mommy, bomodi nyen no man me me hwe ni pa.
Ntimi nyane no wada, ntimi ye dan.
Ah, wada wa ye so da bofu. Ana Mr. Samoye ni ni kokuro mu a.
Nti dan.
Madam. Hwe, obi ba on chen a, emu ni sesebio. We ni pa hunu. Na me ye obi.
Nti dan.
Friend mama
Me say me friend no.
Oba friend no.
You can't force me. Me friend no.
Me say oba friend no.
Me me adwuma wo nyama wo ni kokko hwehwe adwuma na ye.
Me ni adwuma ye.
Na o didi.
Sa.
Show dressing, show coat, na show shoe, na show tie.
Ati sen. Me ba ye hu me.
Who you wanna? Who are you?
Me ye obi.
Who are you?
Me ye obi.
Oh, for what something me so.
Me ye obi pa. So uni mu a me ye obi.
Me obi nti dem.
Anaka se hana ote no wawie wo ho.
You are a hopeless man. Useless.
Mimi you hopeless. Mimi you hopeless. On say wa we shine me. Me ko me kura me you hopeless. Me somebody. On say fe de wa wo praise me.
Ukrom ni.
Huh?
Ukrom ni.
Mimi krom ni.
Me I don't know you.
Sir.
Tikwa.
Mami, me ka mo aso ate say. Se wa no ba na won sa ba. O ba mi a. Kama nante wani so akobɛ se ha ne beche.
What's it?
True na me ka kire wono.
Sure.
Life in colored. Nye black and white.
Dare you say that again? Dare you say that again? Be careful.
One careful.
Dare you say that again?
And your friend, mommy.
Me friend.
Over friend.
You can't force
me.
Me friend.
Over friend.
Me friend. Never friend.
Over friend.
For what say?
Anya wa. Ukunu wa boya mania da. Wasi nyame bua no na si wonya baby gina obeja wa wale.
Oh, fuck.
Enti no on fa ma meeting no.
Oh, clear off.
Also clear off.
Me friend and me
friend. Me
friend china.
Me sa samwa soli o na wati asole.
Look at
ah nyesa na me free ha na me free achina.
Stupid. Ah, okay. Well, this is your first time. I don't know you and well.
Why? Na woni me nyina o be sa mama no abetia o.
Okay.
But more than na friend mama na I asem here.
All right, I'm coming. You hold on. I see.
Asem here. E ma cha me monsan so. Mami we pa. Wa. Oba bi si ansa. Otifi ha ono. Asamwa. Ana yo kan gumu ni enam. Na ka ebo eso aben pe. Eto ana fia ase so abo fu dia. Wa. Minti toto ana. Yeah. Ati power broni krom. Ewurade o ma no abaji alo mama ye. Ye ne ya moa. Okay, na obaba be tum. Na me ba cho we. Ha! Dia yeo. Yeah. Me last one na me di twa me jeni no afọ no. Ade no kura ya se.
When you do my hair, yeah. If you have nothing to do, go and find a job. Get yourself a job and stop following politicians who promise heaven and earth.
Politicians and other women can put for a post more what if you are woody. Some wine, a blue and number can see now. Okay. This time for me to tell the yesterday play part. And son of a do.
Take me to police station. Yes, my yes.
Okay. You see. Maybe.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Politics, they play all kinds of dirty tricks.
Following politicians every day, going around their houses, eating, getting money. I'm here. Go and come again.
Abigail, what says you?
It's 8.
It's too early. Abigail, no man will continue to love a lady whose parents will not regard him as a human being. Your father insulted my family. Do you know what that means? We are not rich as he wants us to be, but at least we are human beings.
Honey, I understand. I'm sorry. Listen, I'm really sorry for my father's behavior. I'm here to apologize.
Look, Abigail, you are sorry. That is all that you can say. Do you want your father to kill me before you realize how serious he is against our relationship?
Honey.
Is that what you want?
Honey, you can't talk like that. The fact that my father did not welcome you does not mean he's a bully. You only want to be convinced that you truly love me and can take very good care of me.
Abigail, listen. It will be for the betterment of the two of us to stop seeing each other.
No, Fred, no. Don't talk like that. You can call it a Fred. You know I love you.
I wanna hold you in my arms. Oh, my love, and show you just how much you mean.
I love you too.
Mean to me.
Honey, I understand.
Show me now, oh my love. Tell me now, boy, just how much you love me. I wanna know, 'cause I love you so. Oh my love.
My son, I value you the same way Nana and his wife value their daughter. But I'm not prepared to lose you. Please forget about Abigail. Please. There are a lot of beautiful girls out there. Why do you go in for a girl whose parents hate you?
Man, I love Abigail. And she also loves me. I can't simply forget about her.
I know. But you can't marry a lady whose parents hate your relationship.
Mom, Abigail has promised to talk to them. And I hope they will understand.
Fred, be very careful. Be very, very careful.
I will, Mom. Mom, I want to go and see Abigail, but I don't have money for transport.
Let me see if I can get something for you. I've got 4,000 cedis.
Mom, since 3 days ago, you've not given me anything. 4,000 cedis. 4,000 cedis. I want to pick something first before I go.
Fred, be very, very careful.
Daddy.
So, is that the reason why you didn't go for lectures today?
Of course, Daddy. How do you expect me to go to lectures when I have not paid the CD for this semester? No money for handouts and other school materials I will need. There's no way I can learn under such conditions, Daddy.
Just look at this. Look at this. These are all the makings of this good-for-nothing government. when we were in the university, we were being paid allowances for just being in the university. And I can assure you, when our party, that is the OPP, comes to power, we shall restore all of this. Yes, we shall restore it. What? Now education has become a privilege, and only the few rich ones can afford. Oh. Well, Gifty.
Daddy.
Well, you be patient, I'll trash out one or two things, and then, I'll try to make some money available to you. Okay?
Dad, I'm worried. I'm very worried because my staying at home for you to trash out your things, it's really going to affect my studies. And this is my final semester. I need to do some project works and others. Daddy, please do something, please.
All right, Gifty, let's give me 2 weeks. 2 weeks and I'll get some money for you.
2 weeks?
It's just a game.
2 weeks and I'll make some money available to you.
It's the name.
Daddy, 2 weeks is too far for me now. 2 weeks is too far. I need to learn to run my exam, Daddy.
And they play
2 weeks. You see, this government is embarrassing. It's embarrassing everybody. How?
Lots and lots of money.
It's embarrassing everybody.
It's about
an embarrassment. It's only the OPP. We shall win and change everything. Don't we say opposition, we talk.
We'll do anything and everything for your quest for power, no matter what it takes or how.
My daughter, how are you?
Mommy, I'm fine. Mom, I brought you this.
You're welcome. My daughter, you don't have to worry yourself buying me all these gifts whenever you come to this house.
Mom, actually, my mother asked me to bring them to you.
Oh my God! This is magnificent. Abigail, I'm also going to wear lace. Thank you, my daughter.
Welcome.
If you go, thank your mother for me.
I will. Why, Fred? You don't like them?
I like them. Mom's clothes is nice. It's nice.
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Mom, can I have your permission to take Fred out?
Sure. But please, don't keep low.
I promise you won't. You won't. Fred, will you give this to your mother?
Can you?
And show just how much you mean to me. Just show me now, oh my love. Tell me now, just how much you love me.
Honorable, I have come to inform you of my desire to lead the party to victory. I have therefore filed my nomination to contest for the flag bearership.
Well, I'm very much aware of that. And for this reason, I've taken it upon myself to evaluate the other aspirants. And what I deduce from that is that you have an advantage over them. I mean,
thank you.
You are ahead of them.
Thank you very much.
You're ahead of them.
Thank you.
You're ahead of them.
Yes, we need a credible candidate who can stand up to the incumbent toe to toe.
Yes, you're not far from right. That is why I think the electoral processes must be scrutinized very well in order to nominate a credible candidate.
Well, Honorable, then I am informing you formally that I have already filed my nomination and I need your support. Honorable.
Doc, for me, you must rest assured. There's no sweat at all. I will go all out to back you. I mean, I will support you unto victory.
Yes, that is why I came. I know you are for me.
Yes.
And you stand for the best.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
I hope my money is ready today because I must live with it.
Oh, Etheria, I beg you, you take it easy.
Please give me up to the end of this month.
Please.
What do you mean I should take it easy? Huh?
Let me see.
Shut up, let me talk. Look at you, sitting down, relaxing with your wife.
Oh, I'm saying that.
Shut up, let me talk. Do you think I am a fool?
You see, what I'm
I said, shut up! When I was building this house, where was you? Huh? Huh? Hey! You politicians don't do this! Is that how you don't behave? Huh? Pay my rent today.
You see, it is the government of the day that is making it impossible for money to flow.
Shut up! Do you want the government to pay your rent for you? Look at him. Look at him. Do you think poor people like you do politics? Huh? Then you better find a job to do and pay my rent. I don't care whether money is flowing or not. Shut up! Your friends are paying it. And you have to pay yours.
Fibra, look, I say it is the fault of the government. Money is not flowing, but I want to assure you that my party, the OPP, will soon come into power and all of these things will change. There will be plenty of jobs for everybody. Even this your property, we will pay for it. We will buy it from you.
You make me laugh in capital letters. I will give you the benefit of the doubt. And wait till the end of this month. But woe unto you. If you don't pay my rent as agreed, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Nonsense!
Fibra, just take cool heart. If you're cheap beer, you come and talk loosely here. When we are talking about owning this property, you come and make noise.
Asamwa, you see what I've been telling you? Find a meaningful job and do. And stop following this party. The government has made cocoa farming very lucrative. You better start farming and stop this oppressed people's party. Who is more oppressed than you?
Stop there, woman. Stop there. Do I look like an oppressed person?
Look, what one do you say I should go?
Your father was a farmer.
Is farming the only way?
And what do you mean by the government making farming lucrative? They are just throwing dust into people's eyes. It is the oppressed people's party that has the panacea, what it takes to make farmers smile. And I tell you, when we are voted into power, we shall change the face of this. We are talking politics, we are talking power. Power. We are talking power. Those who make the world move. You are here saying government is making things cheap for the cocoa farm. What are they doing for cocoa farm? they are doing nothing. But when we, the oppressed people party, come to power, then you will see how wealthy cocoa farmers will be. This is just throwing us into their politics. We are talking politics here. Look, power is what we are talking about. OPP! Oppressed people's party. We are coming to solve all these problems. Yes! Alright! How dare you? Look, that should be your last. This company, let me repeat, they are not doing anything for any cocoa farmer.
Thank you, sir.
We are the oppressed people's party. We have hope for the hopeless. Yes!
Or is it for you selfish interest?
My brother, I am
politics
asking for your support and vote at the Congress. I know for sure that I will win the election if I will be selected by the party as its flag bearer.
My good friend, you see, it will be good for us to select you as the flag bearer. But you see, we need money to run the campaign. And I think as a common doctor, you cannot afford that.
No, but it is the responsibility of the party to raise funds to run its campaign.
You see, that is where you go wrong. Our party is in financial crisis. And so if we select a presidential candidate who will be a liability, then we are shooting ourselves in the foot. So my advice to you, Williams, will be forget about standing, because I will certainly not give you my vote.
Mr. Politician, do you really want to serve?
Thank you very much for your opinion. But I assure you, I am the choice of the people.
Is it for you selfish interest? Is it politics you play? Or is politics your game?
Look at that foolish man.
We really want
you want my vote. You don't have anything. You can't even feed your family. When you want people's vote, you come with money.
Hidden under.
You come empty-handed. You want my vote.
One day, your sins will be found at
nonsense.
It's a dirty.
This is my cocoa season. I will harvest left and right. Jaffu. Then you come. Look at that man. Look at that crazy man.
Politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks.
These are the people who don't give meaning to politics. Look, politics is money. And money is power.
Dirty game they'll play.
Somebody must stop.
In the name of politics, they play all kinds of dirty tricks. Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, so far it's only Dr. Williams who has filed his nomination.
So, does it mean he stands unopposed?
Yes, of course. But, Mr. Chairman, I've been seriously thinking about how funds could be raised to finance the party, since the general election is just around the corner.
Well, that has been my headache. And all the pledges made during the fundraising have not been honored. So we are completely down.
In that case, Mr. Chairman, why don't we, convince Nana to join the race? At least that way, some funds will be available. Money will flow.
Mr. Chairman, money to run the party is as good as getting a good presidential candidate.
You are right.
Yes. Look.
Yes.
Exactly.
Gentlemen, I think that, sorry, lady, I think that we should rather find new ways of raising money for the party. So I would rather go with the suggestion of Prof than what Mr. Samoa is saying. I mean, we should rather find a new way to finance the party rather than getting the party to somebody because he's rich. Well, that's my opinion.
Chairman, what Mr. Apia is saying doesn't hold water. We need money. We need money. What is saying that a new way of organizing fundraising? I mean, what other new way is there? Chairman just said a moment ago that the last one we organized, people came and talked big, made big promises. Nothing had come in. They couldn't deliver on their promises. As we stand now, there is no money. Believe it or not, Dr. Williams cannot, and I repeat, cannot finance this party. We need Nana Kwesi Ejima. At least he can make money available. I rest my case. I represent a group of party members and supporters. They want me to come and appeal to you to contest for the flag bearership of our great party. Our belief is that you have the money, you have the looks, you are popular, and you can lead this party to victory and become the president.
Asamoah, I can't do this. You know, it is very true I have the money. But you know, I've always remained in the background doing things. And this has earned me a lot of respect. And I prefer it to remain just that way.
Nana, what is more prestigious than becoming the president of this country? Think about that, Nana.
I don't understand. I don't understand. Because you see, I promised Dr. Williams to sponsor and support him.
Nana, you promised to sponsor Dr. Williams? Nana, why do you want to waste your money on that man? Sponsor Dr. Williams? No. Look, Nana, promise. It's only God. It's only God who doesn't break his promise. So, what are you talking about? Who is Dr. Williams, by the way? Who is he? And who tells you we want him? We don't want him. It's you we want. Nana, please.
Are you saying I'm capable of becoming the president of this country?
Not only are you capable, you look like the president. I mean, you are popular, you are wealthy. I mean, you have the looks, you are noble. Nana, and you are a chief. You are a Nana. What more? I'm even tempted to start addressing you as Nana President. His Excellency Nana President Ajimai.
It's really too late.
No. Don't throw this opportunity to the dogs. No. Please. Think about it. Think about it. Seriously, Nana. Nana President.
can't do this. You see, Dr. Williams is such a good man and a very, very devoted man. At least he is so devoted to the party. Why should I do this? No, please. Please.
You think about this, Nana President. President, a fatal. Nana President, you think about it. Think seriously about it. His Excellency, Nana President, I think about that one. Perhaps tomorrow when I come.
About this, your party's presidential candidate issue.
What about it?
Mr. Samoa was here this afternoon and according to him, they need somebody who is financially sound to be their flag bearer. And to them, Dr. Williams is very poor. And so I am suggesting that you stand as their presidential candidate.
Perhaps you may be right. Perhaps. That a party wants me to stand. But remember, I promised to support and sponsor Dr. Williams. Huh? Look, if I should make a move, it will rather prove me to be very, very insincere.
And so what? And so what, darling? That is what politics is about. It's promise and fail. What is the big deal of you breaking this simple promise to Dr. Williams? Ordinary Dr. Williams. What is so big about that, darling? Oh my goodness.
I hope you don't really mean what you are saying.
Oh.
I can't do it. Period.
I see. Oh, I see. So, I'm not fit to be the first lady, isn't it? I can't be the first lady, darling. Is that what you're telling me?
No,
am I not fit to be the first lady of this country?
Calm down, calm down.
Huh?
Calm down.
What is so wrong about me that I can't be the first lady? Why are you throwing this golden opportunity away? Look, all my life I've been yearning to become the first lady of this country, my darling. What can Mrs. Williams do that I can't do?
Calm down.
Honey.
Listen. Look, I want to see my lovely wife. It's my wish to see my lovely wife become a first lady of a country. But this is simple English, sweetheart. I can't do it. Period.
Honey, why are you throwing this opportunity away? Look at you. Look at you. Are you not fit to become the president of this country? Honey, and am I not fit to become the first lady of this country? Why are you throwing this golden opportunity away, honey? Darling, please, think of all the opportunities that we'll have
if you become the president of this country and I become the first lady of this country, think about our only daughter. Darling, don't throw this opportunity away. Don't throw this opportunity away. Please promise me you'll become the president of this country. Do that for me.
Dad.
Yes, Ben.
Daddy. Yes. It's almost 2 years now since I graduated from the university. And here I am spending all my time at home, doing nothing, Dad. Dad, I remember you promised me your party chairman is going to help me travel abroad. And up till now, Dad, you haven't bothered to fulfill that promise you made to me.
Son, Ben. See, I understand you. I know how you feel, son. I know how you feel. But you see, the government is not making it possible for my party chairman to fulfill that promise. But I assure you, this year we will be in power. The OPP will be in power and we will change all of that. And that promise will be fulfilled, son. It will be fulfilled.
Dad, I give you up to the end of this year to fulfill that promise. And if you don't, Dad, I promise you I will join an armed robbery group. Because I can't stay home like that for 2 good years.
God forbid, son. Don't talk like that, son. No son of mine will be an armed robber. No! What? You will never be an armed robber. You see, this is what we are saying. This government has created a situation where graduates cannot get job to do. Graduates cannot get job to do. How much more the oppressed? This bad policy of the government is turning all our young ones into robbers, armed robbers, thugs. But our manifesto, the Oppressed People's Party, is going to change all of that, man. It is going to change all of that. There will be job, everybody. There will be job for everybody. Yes, but son, you will not be an armed robber. You will not be an armed robber. Come the end of this year, and OPP will change all of that thing. What? And I assure you, we are going to win. Job for all. It is there, black and white, in our manifesto.
Don't forget to extend my greetings to Abigail and the others.
Of course. I'll arrange for you to speak with them over the phone, okay?
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah, very good. Lovely.
You like it?
We are through, sir. Beautiful. Lovely. I hope you have not forgotten anything, sweetheart.
No, I've packed everything of yours.
And lest I forget, Tony.
Sir.
I'm leaving Abigail in your care. Make sure she's well protected.
Yes, sir.
And also make sure anywhere she goes, you accompany her.
Consider it done.
Good. And now you, Abigail. I don't want to come and hear that you have been fooling around with that stupid non-entity called what?
Hey, Abigail.
Look.
Okay.
Let's go. Smile, smile. Alright, let's go, let's go.
Saying the incompetency that is eating us in this system.
Exactly.
What is this? Look, things must change.
Yes. Honey.
Sweetheart.
Let's go home. Because there's nothing you or I can do about it. Let's go home. Let's go home.
No, sweetheart. We can do something about this.
Can you?
Yes, we can do something about this thing. Sweetheart, we can do something about this thing. You know what?
What?
We are going to kick this government out of power. I will make sure I will kick this government out of power. This is real nonsense. This is real nonsense.
I know. Come on, let's go.
To them it's just a game. Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it hard. It's about
hell are you looking at?
Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you. Open the gate for me.
Madam, I know this is the same because my starter can't make me. I know I can't do this as a thing.
Can you imagine?
This one, I know they imagine. I said, will you shut up your mouth
and open the gate for me before you lose your job?
Okay. But well, come out.
Will you shut that stinking, smelling mouth of yours and just open the gate for me? Idiot! Gateman, you're telling me what to do in my house.
I'm not the gateman. I'm the security. Go consult your book. What is it? You get difference between a security and gateman.
Open the gate for me. I can't stand there and just talk to a thing like you. Do you know who you are?
I'm the security.
Idiot! Open that thing for me over there. Rubbish. You know your job and you see who you're taking.
You take it.
Father's house. Nonsense. Come off.
I need you now.
Come on.
Oh my love, I need you now. I wanna hold you in my arms, oh my love, and show you just how much you mean to me. Oh my love. Please show me now, oh my love. Tell me now, oh yeah, just how much you love me. I wanna know, 'cause I love you so, oh my
Welcome, madam, welcome.
Thank you. Has my daughter gone out?
No, she's there for a room inside.
to them is just a game. Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it bad. It's about money. Ooh, lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing.